Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna show you my pen sketch that I have done during my this vacation. For this vacation, I got some homeworks from my teachers, and they told us to complete a sketchbook. Like this sketchbook is quite big. This is a half sheet sketchbook, half sheet cardstock paper sketchbook. So they told us to complete this sketchbook and submit them. So for that submission, I have done lots of drawing like pen sketch, pencil sketch, quick drawings, lots of drawings. They clearly told us, I want you guys to draw a lot. I just want you guys to practice during this vacation a lot. That's why we are doing it. And so I have done lots of drawing, and I did pen sketch, and I wanted to show how it looks like. So here it is. I'm getting quite terrible. So here it is. So this is how it looks like, my pen sketch of a landscape scenery. I have done it with a gel pen, like gel pen definitely, and I tried to maintain perspective and everything that I could. And because I'm also learning right now, so of course it's not gonna be perfect, but I tried to do my best. Everything is equally needed to focus, and it's really difficult to work on when you are working on outside, because you have to do it fast because it's nature and everything is changing. So that's why you have to work fast, and you have to work with the environment. Like here this time it's raining a lot in my country, so I really have to deal with it, but I tried it and it's looking quite good, and I'm happy with the outcome. I hope you guys liked it, and this is the part 1, and there will be part 2 and part 3 also, because I have 2 more pen sketch and which I want to show you. So today's video is that's it. So I'll meet you in my next video, and look forward to the part 2 and part 3 for my next pen sketches. So